So good morning. I'm about to get up, get myself together, get dressed, and then we're going to brunch. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, the view out here is insane. Like, bro, I can literally wake up to this every single day. Every single day. My face looks so oily because I put on sunscreen today and I just moisturized my face. Let me just give y'all the rundown of the day. So we are going to brunch. Reservation is at 12. Then we're going to go run some errands. Wanda needs to get some allergy medicine. I need a phone case because if you saw the video from yesterday, you know I lost my phone case. And I need to buy a tripod because me holding my phone with my hand, this is just, I don't like this. I like for it to be secure in a tripod. So I'm gonna try to find a tripod. We're kind of just gonna chill out today, just gonna vibe until tonight. We're gonna go to the beach when we come back from running our errands. Get like a couple flicks, a couple pictures. Hopefully the sun is out. It's kind of cloudy right now. So hopefully the sun comes out a little bit. Get some pictures for the gram. And then we're just gonna like chill until tonight. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the rundown for now. So it's gonna be a very chill, relaxing day. I don't know what we're gonna do tonight. We might not do anything tonight. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, y'all. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm wearing. Should I wear? We're going to brunch. BTW. This is what Alana's wearing.
I have one contact in because I was like, is somebody calling me? Did you?
Paused it. That's what Alana is wearing. Should I wear this or this? I already decided, but I'm gonna let y'all think that y'all have a decision. I mean, granted, you know I was going to decide anyway because this video is that means I already went. But I'm just gonna say that I decided to go with this one. See, it's a good thing to have itty bitty titties, but then sometimes it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate sometimes because certain tops are really cute on us, and then certain tops we just can't wear because.
That's not a good thing. I feel like it's at least 10:40.
Okay, YouTube, we're dressed. We're waiting on the Uber. It was 10 minutes away, so I was like, that's not like me. I thought that was somebody down there. Okay, so we're dressed. We're waiting for the Uber. Fit, view. That's where we are right now. Can't wait to get to the place because I saw it all over TikTok. It's called The Social, I think. That's what we're doing. I saw it all over TikTok. So hopefully it meets our expectations because it's a good little hike away. So we'll see what it's looking like when we get there. Oh, they're doing a lot, honey. Oh, that's so pretty.
The water is beautiful.
No, literally.
But it's when it has the blue, like the light.
Yeah. We need to go to one of these little tables and get some. They got pineapple juice.
I need a drink and a pineapple.
Okay, guys, so we have made it to the brunch place. We're at Social, and look at our view from the table. So cute. It's giving very, like, even inside, it matches the water. Like, everything is, like, blue, very crisp. She had to wipe my tray down because a little bird pooped in it, so I'm waiting for it to dry. And so I gotta wait.
The lighting though.
I gotta go fix my eyebrows. It's definitely concealer. For sure. But I just wanted y'all to see our view. Chicken and waffles. I might get French toast.
I might. Oh my god, this must be
The drinks. Oh, my legs are killing me.
after you say they was feeling better.
They are feeling better, but I still feel it in my glutes, and in my legs. Everything else feels okay.
Well, probably gonna be doing legs again, so get ready.
I'm gonna DM him. I'm like, Tyler, look, please take it easy on me. Oh, the DJ setting up. we finna get crunk, baby. I know that's right, honey. Get them pictures here. That's good. Thank you.
The French toast?
Yeah.
Oh, I had it. Yeah. Ooh.
Chicken waffle, no bacon dust.
Thank you.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You got some of my egg whites in here.
I do kind of want a little bit. Ooh. Get ready. Okay. Oh, yeah.
The waffle's better than chicken fingers.
French toast good. Is that her name? Y'all, look at their Walmart. It's like in a little plaza. And everything is in Spanish. Walk across the street. So we ended up coming to Walmart because I have to get a phone case. I have to get a tripod. Lana needs to get some allergy medicine. But like their Walmart is like a mall. Like how do you have an escalator inside of Walmart? And I asked the man, I was like, where's the electronics? And he said upstairs. And I'm like, upstairs?
I have my stance right.
Wait, let me see how you gotta be. Wait. They have a cafeteria. You can sit down and eat your food. Yeah, this is crazy. Like I've seen Walmart's with escalators,
like,
but they go to the garage, not to the other part of Walmart.
Not Whole Foods. This is, kind of like Whole Foods. Our Whole Foods.
This is crazy. And everything is in Spanish, so I can't read the signs. Oh, movie?
I told you it's
Movie
right
and
under.
music, mother's room, no. Mobile, electronics.
Look at Walmart shoes.
No, I need a $5 case.
I don't think Walmart sells $5.
$6. Yeah, I'm back in action. Phone case and a tripod. But
Yes.
this phone case is for a 14 Pro Max, so I'm hoping that it fits my 15 Pro Max. And it's not the same tripod that I had before. She just tried to beat me up. It's not the same tripod that I had before, so. Yes. Bags are 10 cents here. Can you see? Either way, it's 10 cents for a bag. Crazy. Because that's insane.
That's why you gotta do the self-checkout.
Yeah, so you can pack it yourself, yeah.
Look at all the overstock on top of the shelves. Say pets in Spanish. Say it.
Mascotas. That sounds about right. Mascotas.
I have a mascota at home.
Okay, how you say dog in Spanish? I don't know where she's going. We need to cross right here. This is perfect, Lana. Come on. Perfect. Yeah, I guess it's supposed to be their Minute Maid, but like, Popey is crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Popey is crazy. But this looks like Minute Maid, but it's Del Valle. Del Valle. Y'all, they have liquor inside of Walgreens. Wine, okay. I understand wine. But hard liquor, they have Hennessy and Patron.
So
What the hell?
what you want?
So I put my phone case on and it fits. So I'm back in action. It feels more secure. It feels
$6 more secure.
$6 more secure than nothing at all. Cause like iPhones, the newer ones are very slippery. We got some Jose. And before you come in the comments and talk shit about us drinking Jose,
I'm a dying girl.
Tequila is tequila.
It's not.
It's not about the journey, it's about the destination.
I'm a dying girl. They just didn't have dying.
Yeah, she got fruit in her water. I don't like flavored water. Do y'all?
Well, it's actually not fruit in the water. It's just fruit. It was fruit.
Infused.
It's fruit infused.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Right.
I don't like flavored water. So, we're about to go upstairs. I need to let my phone charge because I'm like on 4%. So while we're changing, I'll let my phone charge a little bit because my phone be charging fast. So, it's my laptop charger though. It be charging real fast.
No, I don't know about that.
So we're gonna change and go to the beach, hang out for a little while, and then tonight we kayak. I'm so excited to kayak. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so excited, and it's glow in the dark, and it get dark at like 5 o'clock here. Okay, 5 o'clock is crazy, but it still gets dark pretty fast. We're about to get a couple flicks on the beach. So if y'all don't see these pictures in this swimsuit on my Instagram, that means the pictures were trash. But we're gonna try to get some good ones. Alana, let's go.
Oh my gosh, I gotta put this shit on mute. Folks is liking it.
I got my phone, I got my juice, I got the liquor. We're gonna have a good time out there.
Okay, my labor is done.
Oh, I'm gonna go get some ice. Cause it's on the opposite side. Y'all, look at the sky. We gotta get these quick. But the thing about Puerto Rico is it rains and then it stops, and then it rains, then it stops, then it rains, then it stops. Like, it's showers, scattered showers all day, every day. So we're finna get these real quick. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the beach, but however, as you can see, the clouds are clouding. So,
Cloudy with a chance of
clouds. So we're waiting for this to pass over, which is not dark anymore. Like, this is the one dark cloud, so once this passes, we should be okay. So we're gonna wait for the dark cloud to pass, and then we'll try to take these pictures again. Y'all,
Mr. Krabs.
it's a legit crab right here. What if he just take off running, like, fly?
I wanna see if you're running.
No, Lana, because what if it run this way?
I know it. His eye about to fall off.
Oh.
See, he was talking.
Oh. We made it to the kayak place. The lady just gave us some glow sticks. Oh, and I just cracked mine. I didn't want it to glow yet because I didn't want it to go out. But we're trying to figure out where we're supposed to be going. She gave us directions, but clearly neither one of us were listening, so we don't know where we're going. She said back of the building. She said left and left. Yeah, I see a green button. Okay, we found where we're supposed to be at. The water is right here in front of us.
Hi.
We're here for the kayaking at 8. Deja and Alana.
So you got double kayak, right?
Yep.
So whatever you want to leave, like shoes, soap or whatever you want, you can leave it in the black box over here.
Okay.
So that way you see the stuff, it's the stuff the people decide on, right? So don't wait for that. We have camera around here.
Okay.
So if you want to leave nothing, so just keep your phone, right?
Okay. Purpose is put your personal belongings in place.
Oh, this is cute. Let me show y'all the view. This is so cute. Let me walk a little closer. Okay, I'm about to crack my bracelet. Well, this one's already cracked, so I'm gonna get that one. Let's see how fast it can glow up. Oh! You can see everywhere it just cracked. I got my glow sticks on. I think my hand was in the way. And we're all just waiting. We're all just waiting to start. I'm not sure if we're waiting on any more extra people.
I'm waiting on the cars to get there.
We'll see. It's crazy how clear this water is, y'all. Like, I can literally see straight to my feet. And I love that. I can see everything that's going on. We're on the kayak. We're waiting on them to decide who's gonna be the tour guide. I guess it's a debate of who wants to do it. But we're supposed to be practicing right now. But I feel like, oh. Okay, y'all, we about to get activated, so I'm gonna have to put y'all up. But it's supposed to be a tour, so I wonder if we're gonna go all the way down and come all the way back up. Well, we just naturally floating that way. Okay, guys, so we just finished kayaking, and I will say that this is an experience that I do not have to experience again. It was cute. It was cool. We saw some fish. We saw some city lights, but I don't have to kayak again. Give me like a little motorboat type of ordeal, you know? We got wet in the boat. My feet was killing me walking from the kayak back to... We're not going back to the hotel? Now, how the do we get out of here? I would rate it maybe a 6.5 out of 10. Only because we had to do so much work and we couldn't get the hang of the actual kayaking parts. So we were struggling. Everybody else was flying past us and we was just lagging in the back. So 6.5. Wouldn't do it again. I would do more like a bicycle type of thing, or I don't know, just something where I don't have to paddle my arms the entire time. So yeah, that's where we are. I guess we're about to go back to the hotel. I feel like I need a change. We have an excursion early in the morning tomorrow too. So we need to get some sleep. So we are back at the hotel now. As soon as I got here, I hopped straight in the shower. I just felt so dirty, so like gritty from like sand and ocean water, lake water, whatever it is. I just had to get straight in the shower. So right now we're laying down. We're not going out tonight. We're going out tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a little bit more interesting. Yeah, that about wraps it up. I'm about to edit some videos, scroll on my phone, call it a night kind of early because we have to get up early for our excursion tomorrow, and I'm really tired, so I'm ready to go to sleep anyway, so works out perfect. So I guess I will just see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.